Hello and welcome back to my channel, Just Being Me, Devonice. So I hope that everyone is having an amazing and blessed day today. Today's video is in collaboration with Hellymon. I was sent out a set of Zalap outdoor solar powered motion floodlights. And here is the package right in here. They were in a box. I took them out the box. And this is the package that they actually come in. So I'm gonna do the unboxing on this and then let you know a little bit more about these lights. Okay, so right now I am unboxing the motion lights and I'm just taking everything out of the box to see what all comes there inside. So inside of the box is 2 motion lights. Then you have 4 brackets because each light takes a bracket. You have the solar part and then the actual light. So it's a bracket for both of those to hang on the house. And then it has the 2 packets with the screws and then the remote control. Okay, so the Zalap outdoor solar powered motion floodlights are super bright and they are motion censored. They come with the remote control that has 3 lighting modes. They have a wide angle illumination, PIR motion indicator, long working time, and they are also waterproof. You can find these lights on Amazon and I will leave all of their information in the description box. So right now I'm going to take it outside and mount one to my house right now so that you can see it while it's dark outside. We can see how bright it is. So let's go. Okay, so I have the light mounted to my home and I absolutely like it. It's dark outside right now and it's putting some light, quite a bit of light anyways, on the other side of my yard. And so I haven't hung the other one up yet because I'm undecided where I want to put it, if I want to put it on the other side in the front or if I want to put it like on the side of my house, because I do have motion lights in the front and the back by the garage and in the back of the house. But I don't know if I want to put it on one other side of my house, the other one. But so far I am very satisfied. So I think that you will be satisfied too. If you are interested, I will leave all of their information, as I said, in the description box. Okay, thanks for watching.